Hi, welcome to Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Challenge. And if you are listening this video, this is a series of money lessons and we are into the section of earning money. If you have not listened to the previous videos, you please go and listen to the videos from lesson 1 and do contact us for this class. So today's lesson is there. Once you have decided, share your goal and announce it. So does your business partner announce his goal or vision to you? Do you announce your financial goals to your spouse or kids? Money is such a thing that we never discuss, but after some time it is very important to discuss the money matters with your kids also. So once they understand after the age of 12, they will also know how the money is coming, how we are doing expenses, what we can buy, how we manage the money. So unnecessarily they will not have unnecessary demands. Have you experienced in someone's house the kids are more demanding and they are doing emotional blackmailing? Why? They are not at fault, you are at fault because you never discussed the money is the most ignored subject or a difficult to talk subject on a dining table, but you should make a ritual to talk about the money once in a week and have money discussions and give the money knowledge to your kids and even to your spouse. Don't keep in a hidden secret besides your spouse thinking that she does not know. Make her involved. And same way, little secrecy of woman is okay, but not too much. You must have experienced during the demonetization. They did not know how much they have saved, and they were very hesitant to tell family members that all these days I was lying with you and I had kept money. So always discuss with your family members. You spread the message, announce your goal, and why? Because are you really serious about changing your financial future? Do you really want to live that king size life which you read about or which you see about, you listen to the interviews? You want to be on other side. So I want to tell why you have to write goal. You look at the story that you get up in the morning and then have a over cup of tea. You start planning your day, what I have to do. Then you come out and then you drop your kid to the school, and on the way you go to the doing so many multiple tasks, reach at office or your job or business or profession and do certain things. Then you have certain things after the office hours also, you do some work and then come to the home, and in between suddenly you realize that I forgot to tell that my son had only half day and I had to make those arrangements through some driver, or I had to inform at home that somebody should go and pick up. And when you come home or you when you realize, you phone at home and found out how that 8-year-old kid has gone back home with lot of difficulties and he was waiting for you, and even you never inform at home, and look at your wife's face and she sees that you have done a very big mistake, and your peace of mind is gone. So why burden your mind and memory when you can write down the things? So you plan your day, same way plan your goal, your 3-year goal, 5-year goal, 1-year goal. Depending on your 5-year, 3-year goal, you will see that 1-yearly goal and 1 year into the monthly goal. The same way you have to manage money, you will understand in that, but it's important to decide the goal, share the goal and announce the goal. I have unlimited power within me, and I know that with my money income generation skills, with all the money management skills, I will be millionaire by the end of 3-year, 5-year. So I already shared in the class that the making of those financial goal card and reading it loud every day, so that universe will conspire you to make you that. So even if you don't believe in that goal, please keep on reading. Stick it to near your kitchen or on the fridge or near your desktop. Keep in your wallet purse and keep on reading every day. so that you will not be diverted. Remember that if you want to be rich, you have to decide with a definite goal, with a definite purpose, and keep with the persistency and consistency. Don't get away from the distraction. Don't worry about the failure. So keep doing. Stay tuned for the next lesson. If you are thinking it is too late for me to become wealthy, stay tuned for the next lesson.